Can 3 free AI tool build a viral website without me writing a single line of code? I gave the same crazy prompt to Veo.dev, Lovable, and Teleport HQ, and what happened next honestly blew my mind. Hey, I am Tech by Dude, and today it's AI versus AI versus AI. We are putting 3 free website builder to the test to see which one fast, which one beautiful, and which one you should actually use. And so they all are building the exact same site, a Gen Z neon theme personal portfolio for our fiction character Kai. So let's kick it off with Veo.dev, and yeah, I think you are gonna be surprised how this turned out. So we are at Veo.dev, and as you can see, I pasted this prompt, just a simple one: create a modern one-page portfolio website. Here is an enhance prompt option, so I'm gonna click that, and boom, it enhances the prompt for me. Now I'm just gonna hit enter and let it think. Our second website is lovable.dev. Same prompt and it's running on GPT-5, so I'm super curious to see what it come up with. And then our third contestant, we have teleport.hq. I pasted the exact same prompt here, but this one worked like a little different. You can actually import your Figma website, so it's not quite like Veo or Lovable. It is more about generating a kind of Figma-like website. As you can see, the content is already being generated. Navbar, hero, features, CTA, pricing steps. There are so many options here. Okay, so now we're gonna just give it a few minutes to let all of these sites cook. And our first website is ready. It's done by Veo, which is by Versal. Right in the middle, you can see Kai, a Gen Z tech creator and innovator building the future with code. I'm gonna open this in a new tab so we can get the full screen experience and a really clear view. Okay, so the website is open. First impression, I love the color palette. It's simple, but it effective. It's a Gen Z tech creator and AI innovator building the future with code, creative and cutting edge AI, turning wild ideas into reality. We have two call to action button here: view my work and let connect. There is a section for featured projects, and it automatically generated 3 for me: AI chat assistant, vision art generators, and smart code reviewer. As always, the view project option doesn't work because the project aren't actually available, but the UI itself pretty impressive. Now let's go to the about me section. It generated an AI avatar of me. It looked well, a bit more like a girl. I guess the guy could be a female name, I don't know, but the avatar is cool. Check out that light ring, the shades, the animation is really good. Then we have a few words about me. Hey there, I am Kai. I am 22-year-old, tech enthusiastic. This is a solid. It even includes some Gen Z humor, which is a nice touch. I believe tech should be accessible, fun, and slightly chaotic. And look at this, a box of current obsession and another for fun fact. This really show it turned into a Gen Z mindset. Scrolling down, we hit the contact section. You can contact with a name, email, and message box for your project idea. You can't actually send a message since it's not hooked up to anything, but the layout is great. And the course, there is a section to connect on social media with the copyright claim at the very bottom, more like a footer. Overall, as a website, this is pretty cool. I love the animation, I love the UI. The home page background is little simple, but a blank space, but it has a modern galaxy like vibe with a few dot represent star. Meanwhile, lovable.dev is still trying to build the entire website, so let's switch over to teleport.hq for now. Alright, I am at teleport.hq right now. There's a share option if you like the project, and you can zoom in and out. It also let you view the design in mobile, tablet, and landscape mode. I didn't see a full screen button right away, but there is a grid option. Let's just view it like this for now. Okay, so it say I am Kai, a Gen Z tech creator passionate about AI and innovation. This look pretty simple. Honestly, it is a bit plain. I am guessing this is the editing interface. I am going to have to hunt around for that full screen button. Okay, I found it. I am in full screen mode now. We have a main action and a secondary action. The buttons are responsive, they change color. The image is also animated. It moving when I hover over it and stop. That's cool. A little detail. One thing, I am not a huge fan of the color scheme. The main action button is orange and the second is white, which is fine. But when you hover, they both turn black. Orange and white with black just don't really match the theme. Despite that, the animation are really good. The website is very white, but it works with the theme. It just the black color on the hover that feel out of a place. It's a light theme, so a dark color like a black doesn't quite fit. Maybe a lighter shade could have been better. It even generated basic, pro and ultimate plan for connecting with me, which is interesting. Then there is an intro project and a section to discover the power of a product. We see that orange button again turning black on hover. The animation is top notch though. As I scroll, these boxes are collapsing into each other, super sleek. It also added a testimonial section, which is great touch. When I hover over them, there is a subtle tilting animation. These small details really elevate a website, and the AI added them all. And at the very end, one thing I don't like it that it mentioned Teleport HQ pretty often. When you are creating your own website, you don't really want them. Finally, Lovable.dev has finished creating the website. It took a while, but let's check it out. I'm going full screen. The first thing I notice is a circular light that follows my mouse. The animation is fantastic. This light effect is really cool in the middle. It says, "Hey, I am Kai. I built a neon bright AI experience," and the text is glowing. It is a bit circular, but it looks awesome. At the top, you can see Gen Z tech creator in a small button-like menu. It looks like Connect Me is an option, and when I click it, it takes me to the bottom of the page. You can see it also say edit with Lovable, but unlike Teleport HQ, you can actually remove this, which is a major plus. Here are the featured products. AI Art, Voice Clone Studio. It looks pretty similar to Veo, but this is also really well done. I think I prefer Veo project section, but the homepage on Lovable is definitely better than Veo. For the About Me section, it's small again. I think Veo was much better. It say I am Kai, a builder who think gradient and ships and gift. The text these AI choose for the bio is actually pretty good. Both Veo and Versal and Lovable nailed that part. And finally, at the bottom, let's talk. It's a simple connect page. One big difference I noticed between Veo and Lovable is that Veo didn't take nearly as long to create the website, and it has more feature. Veo has a proper footer while Lovable doesn't have any kind of footer at all. Even Teleport HQ has a footer. Lovable website just feel really short. Teleport HQ created a much longer website, but it didn't really match the Gen Z tech theme. It went for a generic corporate vibe instead. So here is my personal take. I would grab the homepage from Lovable.dev and put it on Veo by Versal site. But if I have to pick a winner, I am choosing Veo by Versal. It's definitely just better. It has so many options, so many more options. The color choices are great. It added an AI avatar, which I love, and it included a proper footer. Alright, so 3 AIs, 1 prompt, 3-way different website. Veo.dev nailed the clean developer ready code. Lovable came through with a full stack ready to use site. And Teleport HQ, well, it might just be the most beginner friendly of them all. So, which one would you actually use? Drop your winner in the comment. And hey, if you want me to throw this AI into a harder challenge next time, smash that like button so I know you are in. This is Tech by Dude. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.